Hindi ya kigomano gya kumurika riboti ya makinya ma naihenya mari honge ngurani ikoretwo igitacukia makung'ethanira na mathina maria maragomera mahiu gukuranitwo ati uria bata wa njũũa urongerereka nacio ndigiri no kunyiha iranyiha. Rafael Kinoti kuma Brook East Africa akiuga undu uyu utumite nginyagia kambuni imwe cia ndege gwikira mukana wa gukua indo cia ndigiri gutwara nja wa bururi.
This war is involving smugglers, is involving underground movements. And also you need to take note that a lot of research from around the world have said the people who smuggle donkey skins also smuggle wildlife trophies, illegal wildlife trophies. They also smuggle narcotics.
Kaunti ya Nairobi na Kiambu irikanite gukorwo na thoko nene ya nyama cia ndigiri. Commissioner wa kaunti ya Nairobi David Wanyonyi akiuga makinya maria matacukitio ni megucungiriria ekuiro guikio ngono.
Mobilize our security, especially the National Police Service, and we have been doing arrests. So far, I think we've done more than 15 arrests of donkey meat that was found on the way to the market in Nairobi. Because of the efforts being done by other counties, you realize it's not an RRI for Nairobi alone, it's an RRI for the rest of the country, especially those counties where donkeys feature.
Kuringana na bodi ya veterinary nyingi cia nyama icio itikorogo ithurime na ni ugwati munene kuri muingi.
And that is why this is where the Kenya Veterinary Board now comes in, because it will be very prudent that the documents of government are kept in safe custody. Because animals slaughtered in Kedong are taken to Nairobi, are taken to Nakuru, and it is very unfortunate that if that one single case of donkey, gets to your plate and it is not well properly handled and cooked, then we will be talking a different story in the Republic of Kenya.
Rungu rwa mubango wa RRI anyiti itemi makigomana guthurima riboti cia haria makinyitie hari makinya maya.
That is a major concern, and that triggered a significant push to ensure that we bring sanity within the livestock sector and enforce the regulations that govern trade in livestock and livestock products.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njitego Kariuki wa Wambui.